Is your YouTube channel's monetization stuck in limbo with that dreaded limited ads icon? Let's tackle that problem hidden and get those ads flowing again first. Head over to your YouTube studio, click on the monetization tab on the left-hand side. This is where you'll usually see the details about why your ads are limited, typically due to suspected invalid traffic. Now, let's investigate your traffic sources. A sudden surge in views, especially from unknown sources, can trigger the invalid traffic flag. Analyze your YouTube analytics. Look for any unusual spikes in views, audience retention drops, or suspicious traffic origins. Are you using any third-party services to promote your videos? If so, ensure they comply with YouTube's advertising policies and aren't generating artificial engagement. Compliance with YouTube's advertising policies is crucial. Refresh your understanding of YouTube's AdSense program policies and community guidelines. Make sure you haven't inadvertently violated any of these. Are your video topics or descriptions misleading? Is your content family-friendly? Addressing these issues proactively can prevent or resolve ad limitation issues. If you believe the limitation is a mistake, you do have some options. YouTube provides an appeal process to review their decision to limit ads, but prepare your case thoroughly. Gather all relevant data to support your claim. Be polite, be concise, and present your data logically. If this appeal does not go as planned, I highly suggest submitting this to the YouTube Help community page and provide clear and constructive feedback. Recovering from limited ads takes time and effort, but by understanding the causes and taking proactive steps, you can get your channel back on track. Keep creating great content and following YouTube's guidelines. Remember, a healthy and engaged audience will always be the best path to monetization.